Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances. Ngayong April 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. So, let's see. Capricorn, ang inyong kaperahan. Ngayong April 2025. Snake. Oh, ang snake, this is about healing, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you're healing your financial situation. Maaring you are in the process of overcoming yung mga challenges ninyo. Yung iba naman pwedeng may transformation because snake is also about shedding the old skin. So, ibig sabihin yan, maaring meron kang nililet go na dati mong situation sa buhay financially, or can be a career or a business na may nagbabago. And it's like a rebirth, no? Bagong ikaw. This is a brand new you. Okay, so meron ding transition dito, some sort of changes pagdating sa situation mo sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, or ano itong source of income mo, finances mo. So whatever is no longer serving you, you are letting that go. Let's see what else, Capricorn. Okay. You have the sun. Ang ganda niya kasi the sun is about happiness. This is energy, life force. So, magiging kayo, very strong pagdating ng April when it comes to working, sa pagtatrabaho mo, ninegosyo mo, if you have a business. This is also your creative talents, creativity mo. You also have Mercury. Sa iba sa inyo, meron kayong talento sa communication. You are using your communication skills in express mo yung sarili mo. Maaring iba sa inyo, you have a certain voice. Meron kang, you are using your voice to earn money. Well, example, singing, podcasting, vlogging, things like that. Or also learning din. Maaring meron kang bagong idea or bagong susubukan, aaralin, no, na opportunity ngayong April na magbibigay sa iyo ng kaperahan, income. So, let's see, Capricorn. This is your overall energy, your challenge, opportunity mo, and then your blessing. Tignan natin yung energy ng kaperahan. This is your career. And kung wala namang work, ito yung energy. Okay, bottom of the deck. The sun. Oh my God. Wow. So, you have a lot of energy, Capricorn. This is also yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. This is also clarity. This is courage, lakas ng loob, no? So, let's see. Wow, the Lovers. So, iba sa inyo maaring merong papasuking malaking commitment, no? Pagdating sa trabaho, sa business. This can also mean business partnership. Pwedeng yung partner mo, meron kayong business together na magpapatuloy, pwedeng magsisimula or magpapatuloy siya na mas magiging malakas. Ngayon, ang challenge ninyo is the Queen of Cups. May mga times na meron kang creative blocks. Yung parang, lalo na kung you're into creative work or creative job, may mga times na hindi ka inspired, may mga times na parang nawawalan ka ng gana, pero yun yung kailangan mong i-overcome, no? Ngayong April, kailangan mo lang dyan na magpahinga and magkaroon ng self-reflection kung ano ba talaga yung mga kailangan mong i-workout sa sarili mo. And then also, this is taking care of your needs, taking care of your health. So, maaring challenge rin yan sa'yo. Siyempre, health is wealth, diba? So, kailangan may oras ka at panahon para alagaan rin yung sarili mo. And then your opportunity is the Seven of Swords. So, maaring merong opportunity ka to know something, no? Na malaman ng isang bagay na ginagawa sa'yo behind your back. Example, merong betrayal, may nanloloko sa'yo. Or merong taong sinisiraan ka sa iba. Let's say, sa trabaho mo, mga kanegosyo mo. So, this is about learning or parang learning something, no? Meron kang matutuklasan. It's like a revelation of the people na pwede mo talagang pagkatiwalaan at pwedeng hindi, no? And then your blessing is the Star. Wow. So, as a blessing, this is about hope, inspiration, miracles. So, maaring merong kang mga wish fulfillment, no? May mga wish ka sa career, sa trabaho mo na matutupad mo. It's also your guiding light. So, you are being guided to your purpose at kung saan ka mas mapapabuti. Kaya, pay attention dun sa mga taong na kikilala mo ng lubusan, nakikita mo yung totoo nilang intentions kasi yun yung way ng universe para, alam mo na, ma-realize mo kung sino yung dapat mong makasama, sino yung dapat mong pagkatiwalaan. And then, for your money, you have the Hierophant. This is tradition, knowledge, wisdom. So, maaring meron kang i-improve sa pag-handle mo ng finances mo, ng kaperahan mo. Maaring meron kang aaralin na technique or meron kang ifa-follow na mentor na magbibigay sa iyo ng advice on how to manage your money. And then for your career, the Fool. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong susubuhang bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong business, bagong pagkakakitaan kasi nakakakita kayo ng potential dito. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring you're going to take a risk in a new career or business. At yung mga wala namang work, the Tower. Nako. So, this is something na kailangan mo ring i-assess sa sarili mo kung ano yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nakakatulong sa'yo pagdating sa pag-aayos ng finances mo. Kasi yung iba, maaaring wala kayong trabaho dahil may negosyo kayo. Or yung iba, self-employed. So, if you are not working or you are relying on someone, kung nakaasa ka sa iba, maaring meron kang enlightenment dito, no? May realization ka na, teka, kailangan meron din akong sariling pera. So, let's see, ano pa. For Capricorn. Kaperahan, ngayong April. 'di ba? Sa start pa lang ng reading natin, I was telling you na you are healing, no? Kumbaga, ano man yung financial struggles mo, challenges mo, unti-unti nakakaraos ka na dyan. Your finances are healing quickly. Continue to do what's best and you will soon see great results. Ayan, no? You have gained the energy that you need. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, nababothered, no? Namang problema or nagwo-worry, nag-aalala kayo sa mga gagawin yung actions moving forward or sa situation ninyo. Sabi rito, your worries are blocking your success. Remind yourself of your greatness and stay optimistic. 'Di ba? Bakit nga ba tayo nag-aalala? Kasi akala natin hindi natin kaya, 'di ba? Some of you meron kayong gagawing charitable work. You are going to share your blessings. The more you help others, the more na ikaw ay ibe-bless. So, some of you rin maaaring maka-experience ng unstable cash flow pagdating sa business. Kailangan daw maging maingat kayo sa pagdedesisyon pagdating sa negosyo nyo kung meron kayong business or even sa pag-handle nyo ng finances ninyo. Hindi agad-agad, hindi labas agad ng labas ng pera, no? The power to heal the earth is within you. There's so much healing for you, Capricorn, in terms of your finances, career path, or sa business mo. So, i-continue mo lang yan kasi this is going to help you transform yourself. A new creative venture is on the horizon. See it as a positive change. O, merong creative na venture. May creative project for you para sa iba sa inyo. So, isipin mo daw yan or tingnan mo yan as a positive change, positibong pagbabago. New opportunities and choices are opening to you now. Claim them. Oh, 'di ba? New, ang daming new. So that makes sense because of this transformation, new beginnings, especially dito sa career path ninyo kasi meron kayong may experience na bago. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.